Okay, we're up on an old section. I climbed to the top up here. I was looking for some old roads. Believe it or not, this looks like an old road, and I don't get that. I mean, that is steep. But it leads down to the water, and there's like some cribbing down there that looked like there was some kind of a dock. Now, a lot of that shoreline got washed out over the years. So maybe it looked a lot different. Maybe there was a road down through there. Maybe they used to, you know, rope and tackle stuff down the hill to load onto boats because it's all tide water. But anyways, I went through here. I wasn't finding hardly anything, just odds and ends and pull tab. But I did get a really good hit here, and it's reading pretty good. So I think I'm gonna. I haven't even begun to dig. I haven't begun to dig it yet. But that's a pretty good hit for out here. That's either silver. I mean, it could be either silver or a large cent, or it could just be some random junk. But we'll give it a shot. The only thing is, I don't know how I'm gonna set this camera up. Oh, okay. Must have been right on top. Yeah. Yeah, it must have been right on top. Must be a new penny or something. Let's check it out. Yeah, new dime. Okay. Yeah, I thought it was down deeper. Alright, well, that's the end of that.